In this video I'm going to show you how to fix problem when notifications doesn't work for some iPhone application. That's quite simple and easy to fix, so let's begin. And you may be in a situation when some of your application doesn't work properly, like not getting any notifications. So all you're gonna do, you need to go into your settings here. Tap on notifications, and there you got list of all your notifications, and now here you need to find specific app that you got problem with notifications. Let it be Canva for now, and now here I can adjust and fix all the notification problem. It might be situation when notifications are disallowed completely for that app, so you need just to turn it on. And also you can enable sounds, enable budgets, enable notifications on lock screen and banners type of notifications. And also here you can set up lock screen appearance for notifications for that specific application. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.